to change spending limit for Instagram ads. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we will guide you through on how we can change the spending limits on Instagram application. So without any delay, let's go on with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So here at the Instagram application at the bottom right, you can see a profile here. Just click on it. And when you head over to your profile, you can find the hamburger or the three-line horizontal line at the upper right corner. Just tap on it. And when you head over to this section, you'll be finding your settings here. So you're just going to scroll down a bit until you're able to find the option called Orders and Payments here. Just click on it. And there you will be finding different information about your orders and payments, including credit cards, debit card, subscription, delivery info, other payment methods. So here you can find the option called other payment methods. And if you added any kind of payment method here, you will be finding your card information here. So you're just going to go ahead and tap on your card information there, or you will be finding something like this on your screen with your account information along with the balance that you have. So here you're just going to scroll down on this page until you're able to find the option called account spending limit here. Just click on account spending limit and you'll be taken to another page where you will be finding your account spending limit, where you can edit and change your account spending limit of your ads. So you can just tap on that edit option at the top right corner and tap on change after that. After tapping on change, you're just going to enter a new value, the new spending limit that you want to add it onto your account, and tap on save, and that should basically do it. So that's how you basically change the spending limit for Instagram ads by following this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.